Hello students, today I am going to explain you about deleted chapters of class 10 in math. Which chapters are going to delete for this session, that is 2020-21. So let's start with your chapters. In chapter 1, only exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 is now deleted. This exercise 1.1 is related with your Euclid division lemma. So you have no need to do this one exercise. And chapter 2, that is polynomial. In polynomial exercise 2.3, in exercise 2.3, division algorithm for polynomial, means you have no need to do exercise 2.3. Also exercise 2.4 also you have no need to do. And also your miscellaneous question means optional questions. In optional exercise question number 3, 4, 5, you have no need to do these one questions. Okay, now in chapter 3rd, in chapter 3rd, exercise 3.5, in which question based upon cross multiplication method, means you have no need to do cross multiplication method in 10th class. In exercise 3.5, question based upon cross multiplication methods are question number 1 and question number 3. Again I am saying only question number 1, question number 3. Here some word problems are also there, so please go through that one question, don't leave that one questions. And chapter 4, in chapter 4, exercise 4.3, exercise 4.3, a question based upon completing square methods, means we have no need to do completing square methods. That is, in quadratic equations you have no need to go through the completing square techniques, completing square methods. So completing square methods in exercise 4.3, question number 1, and also word problems like your board problems and this one problems, they are not coming in this year, so you have no need to prepare this one. And now in arithmetic progression, chapter 5th arithmetic progression, in exercise 5.3, so question number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, question number 15 to 20, you have no need to do these one question. These questions are now deleted from arithmetic progression. Now comes to chapter 6, that is triangle. This is very important chapter in your 10th class. Now in this year, in triangle 1 chapter, two theorems are deleted. Two theorem. First theorem area of similar triangle. Area of similar triangle is now deleted. You have no need to do this one theorem. And also the question based upon area of similar triangle are also deleted. What are the questions? These questions are from your exercise 6.4, means you have no need to do exercise 6.4 also. Make cross in 6.4. And also second theorem, that is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem, again I am saying only converse part of Pythagoras theorem, but Pythagoras theorem is now in your syllabus, but converse part is not in your syllabus. Okay, this question is your this theorem is your 6.9 theorem. And also question based upon your converse part of Pythagoras theorem also deleted. This is deleted part. In chapter 7, full chapter, that is area of triangle in exercise 7.3, related with your area of triangle is deleted. Now we have no need to do exercise 7.3. Chapter 8, trigonometry, that is exercise 8.3. in exercise 8.3, you have no need to do exercise 8.3. exercise based upon trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Complementary angle means which are in the forms like this one: sine 90 degree minus a, cos 90 degree minus a, like this one. These one questions are not coming in your exam, that is exercise 8.3. Now in chapter 9, nothing is deleted, means full chapters is in your syllabus. Okay. Now similarly chapter 10, also nothing is deleted from here, so full chapters you have to prepare. Now in chapter 11, exercise 11.1, in exercise 11.1, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you have no need to do these one question, except then question number 1. Again I'm saying, except then question number 1, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have no need to do this question number 2 to 7, but don't forget question number 1 in exercise 11.1. This is also your deleted. Now comes to your chapter 12. Chapter 12, example 3. Example 3 is now deleted. It's very important, otherwise it's very important question in your 10th standard, but now this year it is deleted. And also the questions are related with 120 degree, all the questions which are also related with the 120. I think one more question in your exercise question is based upon 120 degree. This is also your deleted. Now in chapter 13, exercise 13.4 is also deleted. You have no need to do exercise 13.4. Chapter 14, in chapter 14, that is in statistics, only one method, that is step deviation method. You have no need to go through the step deviation methods. Mean examiner will never ask you about you have to solve the problem by using step deviation method. Means you have no need to do step deviation method. Other methods you have to do, but not step deviation method. And also exercise 14.4, exercise 14.4 is a less than or g more than or g graphical. You have no need to go through this one. This is also your deleted part. And now last one, chapter 15. Chapter 15 also your very important. This is your probability. Here also nothing is deleted because it's a very easy chapter for you. So here also nothing is deleted. Full chapters you have to do. Okay. Now this is all about your deleted syllabus of class 10th. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.